Nissan Rogue 2021 to 2027 Fuse Box Guide. Fuse 19 and Fuse 43 location. Passenger compartment fuse box. Fuse box is installed under the panel on the driver's side behind a protective cover. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more fuse box, relay, and wiring diagram videos. Engine compartment. Another one block with fuses and relays is installed under the hood on the left side. The battery is also connected to it via the positive terminal.